So I just pulled up to this wreck and there were dolphin everywhere. But because I know this wreck typically holds large fish, I decided to throw out a live, large hardtail on my flatline rod to see what would happen, and it got smoked almost immediately.
I'm gonna get broken off. I'm gonna get broken off.
The reason I thought I was going to be broken off is because this is a large wreck with a lot of relief. There's lots of different things a fish can break you off on. And most of the time when I hook up to big fish on this wreck and I'm by myself, not having someone to help motor me off the wreck, I do get broken off. But sometimes you just need a little luck, and today I got that. These big amberjack are known for their brute strength. They're not called reef donkeys for nothing. They can bring even the toughest men to the verge of wanting to give up. In this case, I knew if I just waited a couple minutes, the amberjack would eventually begin to run out of energy. They put up insane, incredible fights early on, but quickly tire within 5 minutes. So if you can get through that 5-minute period and you haven't been broken off yet, there's a really good chance you're gonna land this fish. The rod and reel setup I'm using in this fight is a Shimano Saragossa 8000 paired with a Star Rods Plasma 2 30 to 65 pound rated spinning rod, an 80 pound braid.
That's AJ.
One of the biggest ways to tell what kind of fish it is that you're fighting is if the fish takes you straight down into the wreck. Amberjack are known for going straight down, forcing the angler to use every bit of their strength to try to pull them up out of the wreck. At this point in the fight, not only is this big amberjack beginning to tire and run out of energy, so am I.
He's gotta be close. He's gotta be close. Oh shit. That's a huge fish. Ah. Ah. Oh my God. Ah. Oh, holy shit. Woo! Ah. 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 Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Ah. 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 Oh my God. What a huge fish. We'll just, oh my God. Oh shit. Holy shit.
This massive amberjack ended up being the biggest one I've ever caught, coming in at 44 inches to the fork and weighing over 40 pounds.